Good morning students. Welcome to the online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to start the second unit of our English reader book for class 8, and the second unit, as we have completed 3 sections before, the name of the unit is food, and the fourth section is a poem. The name of the poem is King's Breakfast. Now we'll get to find out what's in the poem. It is like a fictional poem and you will get it interesting. Now we are starting the section 4 of our book, The King's Breakfast. Okay, now we are going to get about butter or a marmalade. Marmalade is something like you have, just like you have jelly on bread, that is jam, fruit jam, mixed fruit jam, apple jam, pineapple jam, orange jam, whatever you like, you have it. So let's find out what's in the poem. The king asked the queen, and the queen asked the dairymaid. Here the dairymaid is someone who provides us the dairy products like food, buttermilk or butter. These are the things that are provided by dairymaid. So the king asked the queen, and the queen asked the dairymaid, "Could we have some butter for the royal slice of bread?" The queen asked the dairymaid. The dairymaid said, "Certainly, I'll go and tell the cow now before she goes to bed." Now, here in the first stanza we get to know that king is asking his queen to have some butter for his breakfast bread. And the queen says the same thing to dairymaid. And the dairymaid responds, "Yes, certainly, we'll get butter for your bread, royal slice of bread." Royal slice of bread, why? Because it is for the royal persons, that is for the king. The king will have it in his breakfast. So he says, "Yes, we will provide you some butter. But before that, let me tell that to my cows so that they are ready before they go to bed." The dairymaid, she curtsied and went and told the elderly, "Don't forget the butter for the royal slice of bread." The elderly said sleepily, "You'd better tell His Majesty that many people nowadays like marmalade instead." Now, the dairymaid was a female. The dairymaid, she curtsied and went to told the elderly. Elderly is someone who works under somebody else. So the dairymaid goes to elderly and asks and tells him, "Don't forget about the butter for the royal slice of bread." And elderly was sleepy, so what he says? He says, "You better tell Majesty." Majesty here is the king. That nowadays people like marmalade more as compared to butter. The dairymaid said, "Fancy," and went to her Majesty. She curtsied to the queen and she turned a little red. "Excuse me, Your Majesty, for taking the liberty, but marmalade is tasty if it's very thickly spread." Now dairymaid says, "Okay, that's nice," and went to her Majesty. For dairymaid, her Majesty was the queen, and for queen was the king. Now dairymaid says, "Excuse me, Your Majesty, for taking the liberty." Liberty is for taking the freedom to say that, "Please tell the king that marmalade is tasty if it's well thickly spread." And the queen says, "Oh," and went to His Majesty, that is the king. Talking of the butter for the royal slice of bread, many people think that marmalade is nice. Now she tells the king about the marmalade, that it is much better as compared to the butter. "Would you like to try a little marmalade instead? Would you like to have some marmalade instead of some butter?" The king said, "Bother." And then he said, "Oh dearie me." The king saw, "Oh dearie me," and went back to bed. "Nobody," he whimpered, "would call me a fussy man. I only want a little bit of butter for my bread." Now the king was bothering and says the same to the queen, that nobody should call me a fussy man. Fussy, we had read in the previous chapter also. Fussy, unfussy. Unfussy is something that is not very well mannered in terms of food. But fussy means very much well mannered. You think a lot about that, how it is prepared, how it is cooked, how it is garnished. These things are for fussy. Now the king don't like anybody calling him fussy. So he says, I don't want to be called a fussy man. I only want a little bit of butter for my bread. And he only wanted some butter for his bread. The queen said, there, there, and went to the dairymaid. The dairymaid said, there, and went to the chef. The cow said, there, I didn't really mean it. Now the queen says the same thing to dairymaid. That the queen says to king, yes, I'll get you the butter. The same to the dairymaid. Dairymaid goes back and there to the elderly and then to the cow, and they all say, okay, fine, no issues. Here's milk for his porridge and butter for his bread. Now the cow says, actually it is a poem, so don't think about how cow says. And the cow says, here's the milk for his porridge and butter for his bread. Now they provide the butter for the bread too. The queen took the butter and brought it to his majesty. The king said, butter, and bounced out of bed. Now, as soon as the king listened about the butter, he bounced out of the bed, that is, jumped out of the bed, came out of the bed fastly. Nobody, he said, as he slid down. The banisters, nobody, he said, as he slid down banisters, nobody, my darling, could call me a fussy man. But I do like a little bit of butter to my bread. Now, he says, nobody, whether it is you, anybody else, or the people of my kingdom, nobody could call me a fussy man, but I like some butter for my bread. This was the chapter and it's completed. Now we will be starting the question answers of this poem. Okay. Now the first question is, who asked whom? Now the king asked the queen, that the queen asked the dairymaid. Basically they are asking how this process went on. The king asked the queen and the queen asked the dairymaid. And if you follow this, the dairymaid asked the elderly and then to the cow. This was the chain here. Why does the queen say royal slice of bread? Because the slice of the bread was the breakfast the king used to have in the morning. Why did the king so? Because he wanted a slice of bread with the butter in his breakfast, but his queen was asking him to try out marmalade. Let me tell you again, I told you already that marmalade is a jelly of different fruits that you use sometimes, or maybe quite a few times. Some of you would have taken jam, that is whether for mixed fruit jam, apple jam, pineapple jam, orange jam. These are available in the market too. Now, do you think the king was fussy? Why not? Yes, in actual he was fussy because he only wanted a bread butter. He didn't like the idea of marmalade or anything else on his bread for his breakfast. Now the last question for this poem, what do you prefer for your slice of bread, butter or marmalade? Now you have to tell what you like in your slice of bread, whether a butter, a marmalade or anything else. So that's it for this poem. We have completed our second unit, that is food. Section 4 was the poem. The name of the poem was The King's Breakfast. So till then, take care. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.